Hello, welcome to World News. Look, in Pakistan, there was a desire for a long time that the way India launched Chandrayaan-1-2, literally landed on the moon, launched a rover on the moon. Pakistan also wanted these people to reach the moon, no matter how they reach. Now see. As part of a Chinese mission within China, Pakistan has made arrangements to send its small satellite to the moon. China's mission has been launched. Chang'e 6 is currently moving towards the moon. Now this mission will be successful. Nothing will happen, we will come to know in the coming days, but let me tell you, this is historic for Pakistan. This is the first time that Pakistan is sending a satellite to the moon. Now again, when I say satellite, then we have to understand that this is basically what else. By the way, here you will be able to see this tweet of Shahbaz Sharif saying that I congratulate the entire nation of Pakistan. This is a historic milestone, Pakistan's first lunar satellite in collaboration with China, Chang'e mission. Now see, by the way, below this there is a very good tweet by this man. He had written that look how the scientists of Pakistan look. Well, this is a joke, but we also have to understand what Pakistan is basically sending to the moon, because sending something to the moon is a very difficult task. There are very limited countries which can send something to the moon, then Pakistan, which is claiming here that it is a historic milestone and we have sent a satellite to the moon. You have to know about this satellite. See, this is the satellite and the name of this satellite. Hi-ICube-Q is a very small satellite. The weight of the satellite is 7 kilograms, and look again. Now what can I say that this satellite has been made by the scientist of Pakistan? I mean, Pakistan is claiming that apart from Superco, which is the space agency of Pakistan, the Chinese space agency has together prepared this satellite. Well, in reality, this satellite comes in a kit, literally. You look at the back, there is an instruction here in Chinese. It comes in a complete kit, literally. People purchase it from the market too, some even for thousands of rupees. Yes, it is possible that Pakistan may have added a small device from its side here, but it is literally a Chinese satellite. You will remember that a few months ago, Azadi set was in the news in India, which is ours. These are female school students. They had prepared this 8-kilogram satellite, so the CubeSat is like this. Many times in the countries, students, college students prepare this. It is not something very remarkable, and whatever name it is, you have put it. If you see the pages of encyclopedias, you will see where it is written that list of moon missions is here. Obviously you will get Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2, various missions of USA, missions of USSR, all these. Now the name of Superco has also been added in all this. This is the only mission where the name of Superco has been added here. Chang'e 6 is China's mission. Basically, China is launching its own moon lander here, and what this moon lander will do is quite impressive. This is what we want to do in Chandrayaan-4. In Chapter 4, you will know that our objective is that the lander will land on the moon, collect some samples and stones from the moon, and then bring it back to India. China is already doing this in the Chang'e 6 mission. Even before this, China is doing this. This type of sample return mission has been conducted, so here you will be able to see that this is the Chang'e 6 mission, in which Pakistan's 7-kilogram small satellite, whatever you call it, has also been placed in it. The main task is the lander, which is Pakistan's satellite, will separate smoothly as soon as it reaches the moon, then it will orbit the moon. The main one, which is China's lander, will land and collect the samples of the rocks on the moon and bring them back to China, and so on. It is not that China is only sending Pakistan's satellite to the moon. There are some scientific instruments from France, Italy, European Space Agency, and also China will take it to the moon under its Chang'e 6 mission. Now here, if you have a question. Wow, what a wonderful thing China is doing, that it will go to the moon with the instruments which are from European countries. Look at a European Space Agency. Today, there is so much in terms of remarketing launches. Let me give you an example. ISRO will soon launch Europe's Proba 3. We are going to launch Proba 3, which is one of their missions. We will launch this mission in September 2024. We are going to use PSLV Axel rocket here. At that time also you will see that India will be in the news a lot, that we are one of the very important people of Europe. If they are going to launch an important mission in which they will study the sun, this Pakistan H-Cube-7 small satellite, basically what will it do? There is a flag of Pakistan on it, and it will reach the moon by sitting on a rocket of China. Well, see, it also has some objectives like trying to capture images of the Earth, moon, and the lander of China. Apart from that, see, it is also being told from Pakistan that they will also try to acquire the data of the moon's magnetic field. Now I don't know about this. What will Pakistan be able to do? Will they collect the data? 7 kilograms CubeSat. Will they have the instruments to do more research here? But the thing is that Pakistan will get 3 photos of Earth's moon and China's lander, and from this you can say that a country gets a feel-good factor. A country feels good that we are doing something. You might remember how much we felt when we finally landed Chandrayaan-1. although Pakistan is doing very little in comparison, but if I think from their perspective, then a country which is burdened with IMF loan. The economy is not working properly, their most famous leader, Imran Khan, is in jail, people don't have much faith in democracy. Amidst all this, if photos come, China does Congress, their PM also looks happy. So it gives people a feel-good energy, and if we look at this mission from the Indian perspective, then what China is doing is inspiring. It is okay that China will land on the moon if it does it successfully again. The mission may also fail. If China does it, it will be absolutely inspiring for India because we are going to try to do the same under Chandrayaan-4. Look at what Pakistan has done, will they get anything special from it? Otherwise, they will get the main benefit only then. It is possible that when the youth of Pakistan feel inspired, they will feel more towards science, you can say, they will feel interested. The young people in Pakistan who have come away from fundamentalism will see this mission and they will think that science is so interesting, then if all that happens. If you get it, then there was a benefit in doing all this, otherwise you can just say that you will get a feel-good factor.